Hello, everybody, and thank you so much for subscribing and following and liking my pages and videos and everything. So, this is a tutorial on how to do your gel toes. I'm doing a French toe in this video. As you can see, I'm busy putting on my base coat on my toes, and this is gel, so it's a full set of gel toes, and it's gonna be French. So that's the base coat. And then for the color of your nail, for the white to stand out, I use this peachy color that I put as the foundation for building my French tip. So you can always use like a lighter pink color or this peach color, just to give your nail a bit of color, so your nail's not so stained looking when you have the white tip on. And then now I'm going in with my white, and I just dab it on the front of the toenail to make the tips. I used to previously use like tape and those measuring things that you also get. I don't know what's the name of it. You get them from planetnails as well. Or you can just use tape, but then the tape will leave a residue on your toe afterwards. So when you paint over the top coat, it will go all wonky. And then that's the first coat of the white tip. So now I'm going to do the other foot. Also the same method, just dab a piece of the brush in the front of the toenail. Well, whatever size tip you want to have. I'm going in now with a second coat of the white, just for it to stand out a bit more. And then normally what I do is, when my nails are old, I just buff them off with one of the harder black brush like that one. I use that to buff the nail polish off as well when I'm ready to do a new set of toes. So now I'm just straightening them out a bit, just to get them a little bit perfect. I'll try to. The pink color that I have on my fingernails is the same pink that I'm drawing these flowers with. And the thing that I use for that is this little pin that I buy from planetnails as well. My favorite place, planetnails. And you just make a little circle with whatever color you want, and then small little dots around the bigger circle, and then just join the dots into the circle, which looks quite cool, I think. And it's really not that difficult. And then now I'm just going in with my top coat. This is a nice top coat because it doesn't leave any residue on your toes after you have baked them in under the UV light. So it's not sticky afterwards. You don't have to wipe it with acetone. It just dries and then it's smooth. Off you go. So even if you're trying to just grow your nails, you can just buy this acetone and put it on just your normal nail, and off you go with nice shiny nails. So thank you guys for liking the page. I'm going to try to be consistent and share all these hacks that I've learned along the way. So now I'm just doing the last bake, and that's the end result. It's not the best, but it's something. Thank you guys for watching, and please press that subscribe button or follow button, and have a nice week.